is really overwhelming for me because I'm a fresh face from a small town in Davao region, and I'm really grateful to all my pageant media friends to vote na vote me to be the darling of the press. At saka sana po hindi po dito magtapos yung pag-support niyo sa akin. Hanggang sana po ito yung pag-support niyo sa akin hanggang po sa coronation night. And siguro an informative fact is that I love watching old series, like American series. So, yeah, I have the patience to watch a long series kasi di ba alam na naman natin yung mga American old series, mahahaba yung mga duration and everything. And I don't allow myself not to eat or leave the house without eating kasi mahiluhin po akong tao. Kaya kahit po may strict diet po ako with my team, hindi ko po talaga sila pinapakinggan kasi kakain po talaga ako kaysa po mahimatay po ako, di ba? At saka, if I have the chance to sleep, even with my contact lens on, even if it's in the car na umaalog-alog, matutulog po talaga ako. Kasi, syempre alam naman po natin, if you're kulang po kayo sa tulog, nakaka-apekto po ito sa iyong performance during the pageant itself. I don't know if you find it disgusting though. Kasi, when I arrive at home, para na akong alam niyo yung si Joker, I put oil cleanser on my face and then I leave it for like how many minutes and then that's where I wash my face. So I was just like walking around the room or the house with my very, weird face. Mga taga Davao, ito na yung time po natin na magsibayanihan po to vote me, lalo na in Sis Protect kasi naiiwan na po tayo sa top 3 at saka alam ko naman po na lahat ng taga Davao ay hindi po nagpapatalo. So please do support me up until the coronation night. Thank you!